Welcome to the Papa Rockstars podcast with Anya Bohm, where we talk about all things paparazzi, team training, suggestions, interviews with elite leaders, and more, all to help you grow and explode your paparazzi accessories business to rockstar success.
Welcome back to another episode of the Papa Rockstars podcast. My name is Anya Bohm, and I am your show host. Today we're going to be talking about treating your business like a business. Having a home-based business can be tricky with balancing your home and your family life, as well as all of the interruptions you can get while trying to work at the kitchen table. Today we're going to talk about how to work your business like a business. Before we get into that, head on over to paparockstars.com/business. You can grab all the show notes for today. You can listen again, share it with your friends, and grab the super cool call image that we're going to talk about in just 1 second. Again, that website is paparockstars.com/business. Now, the show image for today is a quote from Tiffany Peterson. She was one of the keynote speakers at Paparazzi Convention 2016. She said, "If you stick with something, you will meet with success." And I just love that quote so much. So it's a beautiful image that you can grab, share it on social media with your team, with your friends, or just post it on your Facebook wall. Okay, let's jump into the training for today. The nice thing about a home business is that you can fit it into the cracks and around the life that you already have. You can be snuggling a sick kiddo on the couch while you text team members and post photos from your phone into your sales group. You can do a Facebook Live video in the carpool pickup lane at school and showcase jewelry and get sales while you're waiting. Or you can turn a Facebook party while supervising 8 12-year-olds at a slumber party. You can totally do this and be a mom at the same time. I love that. I love that I'm a mom and I can run a successful, growing online business. But one of the things that I see so often is that in the chaos of life that we forget to post. We forget to connect with our customers and with our team. And I am guilty of this exact thing. So here are a few tips to make sure that you're running your business like a business. Number 1, have business hours. Set up a time each week that your customers can drop by and shop or grab jewelry if they've already ordered it. It makes it so that they're working around your schedule and not the other way around. Plus, it's kind of like a set night where they know your jewelry is going to be out so that they can shop. This is going to increase your sales and make it so you're not chasing people all over town to deliver their jewelry. You can also have a night where you party. I've shared this before, but I do online parties on Wednesday nights. My husband has an ongoing commitment every Wednesday night, and I know that I will need to be home with my little kids. So instead of just taking the night off, I figured I might as well party while I'm home. So yeah, it's a little crazy with my little people running around, but I'm still taking advantage of the time that I have to work my business. And if you're in my sales group, you'll probably know that sometimes it'll be 10 or 15 minutes between a post. Usually it's because somebody's trying to kill each other or dinner's burning. Let's be honest here. But this is how you fit your business around your life. If home parties are your thing, sit down and decide on the days and times that you want to work, and then mark those out on your calendar. I usually sit down with my husband and we choose these dates together. That way he knows that he's on deck for all the kids chauffeuring and I know that he's going to be there. And then I don't have to stress about finding a sitter, and my hostesses have some great dates to choose from. They're just right there. We don't have to try and work it out. The biggest thing with these is to find what works for you. Now, just know that you need to have business hours, whether it is 1 hour a week, whether it is 6 hours a week. This is a business, and even if you're working from home, business hours help others know when you're open so that you can work it into your schedule better. Number 2, touch your business every day. I know how life gets, but if you commit to touch your business every day, you're going to find a way to squeeze it in. I recommend trying to do something in each of the main areas of my business. So this is what works for me. I have my customers, my team, my potential team members, invoices, and orders out. So that's 5 different areas. And I try and do something in each of those every day. Now, maybe I don't have any invoices to send out. Maybe I didn't do a party the night before. That's fine. That just gives me a little bit of time to work on something else. Maybe I don't have any paid orders because it's Monday and I don't have anything to send out from the weekend, or I already sent everything out. That's fine. Just know that, those are the 5 areas that I try and touch every day, especially if I have something in those. I know it seems like a lot, but even if I only spend 5 minutes spread out during the day on each of these things, that's only 25 minutes. So 5 minutes on my customers, 5 minutes on my team. That's 25 minutes total. And 5 minutes at a time is not that much time. Think of it this way. The thing that you focus on and that you spend time on, they're going to grow. They're going to expand. They will. It's like an unwritten law of the universe. If you're only spending a few minutes once or twice a week on your business, you're kind of sending a message to the universe that you're not serious about your business. Are you sending this message? Do you want to grow and expand? Do you want to become an elite leader? What are you telling the universe? If you have more time to work on your business, that's great. But be sure you're touching your business a little bit every single day. Number 3, don't be a paper pusher. This is me to an absolute T. I like to organize, create flowcharts and folders. The school and office supply aisle at Walmart, that's my happy place. Like, seriously. It took me a long time to realize that what I thought was working was actually shuffling papers around, moving things from one place to another. I felt great when I looked at my accomplishments or my desk, but my business wasn't growing and I could not figure out why. So finally I was at a training meeting and the speaker asked me what my income producing activities or IPAs were. And it totally stumped me and sent me into some serious reflection. The things I was needing to do for my business weren't the things I was actually doing. Is it bad to be organized? No. Just make sure that you're not making the same mistake I did and shuffling the papers, creating graphics, making charts, or organizing forms. And I mean, that's fine to do too. It's organizing, but make sure you file that under organizing time and not business time. Make sure you're making time for both and then work your business during your business time. Number 4, wear your uniform. When you have a job, there's a dress code or a uniform that you need to wear. Some dress codes are more strict than others, but they're still there. Brands, companies, and organizations want you to be able to quickly and easily locate and recognize their employees. Think of places like Hooters, Walmart, Target, Olive Garden, doctor's offices, or even McDonald's. You can pretty quickly tell who works at these places and who does not. If you've ever worn khakis or a red shirt to Target, you're totally going to know what I'm talking about because people are like, hey, can you help me with this? And you're like, I don't actually work here. And I'm sure in their mind, they're like, well, why are you wearing a red shirt then? But it works. You want that same kind of recognition for you and your business. You are the jewelry lady or man. We have some men listening. Sorry, don't want to exclude you there. If you aren't wearing what you sell, how are people going to assume that you're in business? How are they even going to know? Your friends and your customers, they need to know that you're rocking your business and that you love your products too. When you're out running errands, if you're wearing your jewelry and someone compliments you on it, give them your business card and even a free piece of jewelry. You just found a new customer. So wear your uniform. Be a walking, talking display case. Number 5, be professional, but be human. This is the difficult combo to master. You want people to know that you work from home, but you don't want to do a live video with your dishes piled high in the sink and your kids beating on each other in the background. Let your personality shine through in your videos and on your posts on Facebook. Let people get to know you. Take a peek into your personal life. Don't get on your sales group and rant about something political or about whoever just made it to the Super Bowl. Keep things professional too. I like to add my personality into my Facebook Live videos by starting out with a corny joke. My customers seem to like it. I hope they do. And they've even started messaging me with jokes that I should use. It keeps things light and it makes me laugh, which is never a bad thing. Share a little bit about yourself to help people see the person behind the business. But remember, this is a glimpse. It's a taste. It's not the entire kitchen. Okay? I'm sure I could go on and on and on about different things that you should do to treat your business more like a business. But to me, these are the most important. So let's quickly review. Number 1, have business hours. Number 2, touch your business every single day. Number 3, don't be a paper pusher. Number 4, wear your uniform. And number 5, be professional, but be human. Okay, y'all, it's time for the show challenge. Pick one thing from today that really resonated with you, that struck a chord, and implement it into your business today. Like right now, today. Do it as soon as you can. That's the best way to implement it and get it rocking and helping out your business as much as it can. Okay, y'all, have a fabulous week, and we will catch you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.